Hey everybody, Jeff here. Hey, I wanted to give you a couple of good update deals here on Lowe's. So let's get right into it. I'm going to take this kit number here and enter it in here. And this, as you can see, it brings up a Bosch Tool Kit. And I want to thank our friend Scott Hall, who tipped me off to this a couple of days ago, actually, but we just now kind of got around to it. We were so busy. But so here you have a Bosch Tool Core 18 kit. Now, if you recognize this guy in the middle here, that's the Freak. So what the Freak is, in case some of you haven't noticed or looked into it too much before. So right here, this is a dual-purpose impact driver. This is a half driver and a half wrench. That's why they call it the Freak. So if you look at the core right in the middle of it there, that will handle a standard quick change, hex-shaped drill accessory there. But when you look on the outside of it, see, that's a 1/2-inch socket driver. And based on the inch pounds that they're giving here, I figured it converts to about 130 foot-pounds of torque, which may or may not be able to pop most of your lug nuts loose off of your car. And it may or may not be able to tighten it to the degree that you would need. But you can see that this kit here is down to $129 from $189 here. So it says you're saving 31%, and it does say low in stock. So if you're going to order one, I would hop on it pretty soon. Like we've been telling you over and over, like a broken record lately. If you see a deal, something like this that you want, I would not hem and haw over it. I would just get in there and get it now while the getting's good. Okay, so the other deal that I wanted to show you was this one here. Now, this is back up in price to $399, but just a couple of days ago, I showed you on our live walkthrough at Lowe's that this very table saw, this is the 8.5-inch portable table saw. This is the smaller compact job site table saw. This is not the bigger one. So this here is $399 now, but it was $299. They had this saw marked down $100. And then if you saw in the live stream, which I'm going to show you right here, you can see we walked up and I showed it to you a couple of days ago live in Lowe's. And remember, we just looked at it an hour ago. If you guys were on the stream at Home Depot, we were just looking at it, the exact same model number, down to the digit. And let's see, where was it? It was right, oh, here we go. So they don't even have the display model up. But this is it here. See the DWE. It's your 8.25 compact job site here. And so Lowe's right now. And this doesn't even look like a regular sale price. This looks like this is going to be the selling price going forward on this thing. So this table saw here is nice and it's compact. I'm still holding out for the FlexVolt version of this saw, which I know is like $500. So does this one have, yeah, it's got the rack and pinion, which is nice too. So just so you guys know, the exact version of this table saw is over at Home Depot right now. So if this is the new lower price, why did it go back up to $399, LOL? And then, ironically, just an hour before, we were standing in Home Depot doing the live stream at Home Depot where I showed you this exact same model number saw in Home Depot and told you that it's $100 more over at Lowe's. Okay, now I want to show you this DeWalt, the table saw here. So this one here, this is their 8.25-inch compact job site saw. And this is the model. It's upside down. Hey, I wonder if I turn the phone upside down. Well, let's show it right side up. There you go. So here it's the DWE 7485. This exact very same table saw right now over at Lowe's is $100 cheaper right now today. If you pull it up on Lowe's website, you'll see it. You have to put it into your shopping cart in order to see it, but it's $100 cheaper than Home Depot right now for the exact same saw, the exact same model number. I just confirmed it. All right, so now coming back to this table saw here, what I think you should do here is monitor this over the next few days, because much like the Metabo table saw that I had been showing you for the last couple of weeks over at Lowe's, remember that's the one that dropped from $569 down to $349. and then it kept coming back on sale, going back off, up and down like a roller coaster. I think this table saw is going to be doing the same thing. Maybe it's an issue with stock. Maybe when they get some more in their warehouses, they start putting it online and lower the price again. I simply don't know. I don't know if there's another unit coming out or not. We just don't know. But what we do know is that suspiciously it dropped $100 at Lowe's, and I'm hoping maybe you can get the same thing at Home Depot. Now, let's say it drops again to the $269 like we showed you over at Lowe's in the store. And let's say you go to your store and you don't have it there, or they're out of stock, or you can't get it online. I would take your phone over to Home Depot and talk to their managers there and see if they will meet that price, because usually, they often do. They honor the Lowe's 10% off coupon. So see if they would take the $100 off and match Lowe's. Or you could, at the very least, go into Home Depot with that Lowe's 10% off coupon and get them to take $40 off. So that would be another way you could save money there. But anyway, my argument right now for Lowe's is, hey, your sign in the store said new lower price, $2.99. Why is it back up to $3.99? That doesn't make any sense at all. Okay, now I want to show you this DeWalt 3-tool kit. I showed you guys this about a week ago, but just in case any of you missed it or didn't see it last time, I want to show it to you real quick now. And this here is a DeWalt Brushless 3-tool kit. Now, if you look at these tools, it looks like this tool is aimed more at the woodworking type person, or a wood hobbyist, because you've got the jigsaw over here, and you also have this is the 5-inch orbital sander, and then you have the multi-tool here. And the kit, of course, comes with a charger here and a 4-amp-hour battery, and the big heavy-duty carrying bag here, the contractor's bag. Now, this one here, this kit is $299, and they normally sell it here for $399. So that's $100 off. That's a major price drop there. Now, what's interesting about this kit is, like in our store, for example, this kit is not in our store. I've never seen this kit before in our store. Okay, now if any of you are going to try to take advantage of this deal in store, here's a suggestion for you that a number of people have told me about this when they've gone in to find it. Sometimes they don't find it on the shelf, but they say to look up, way up high up top, and they usually end up having to get the employees to go up there and get it for them. So that's one way to find it in store. And if you don't, then just simply order it online and either have it shipped to the store or have it shipped to your house. But either way, this is probably a really, really good deal, because this sander alone, this cordless sander alone, is $129. Okay, so now back here looking at the Metabo table saw. This is the one we showed you a couple of weeks ago and first alerted you that it was over $220 off on sale. And strangely enough, a lot of you were able to get it and take advantage of this deal. In fact, to date, probably 40 people have contacted us now and have told us they've been able to buy this table saw. So that was pretty good, that a lot of you that saw our video on this were able to take advantage of that lower price. Some of you reported that in your area it wasn't showing up cheaper online, or when you went into the stores it wasn't showing up cheaper, and then all of a sudden later it changed. So this thing was flip-flopping like you wouldn't believe. It was going up and down like a roller coaster. So follow this one here closely. If you're looking to get a table saw like this one, follow it closely. Just check it every day. Keep your browser window open to this and go in and refresh it 3 or 4 times a day and just see if maybe it changes. I suspect this one will go back down again. You never know. And who knows, maybe on Labor Day, when the actual Labor Day weekend comes, maybe they throw us a surprise and put it back on sale again. So I would definitely watch this one closely again, too. So there you have it. Just wanted to give you that quick update. And probably by tomorrow, I'm hoping to get another video up for you folks on all the direct links to all of the new Milwaukee tools that were announced a couple of days ago by Milwaukee on that live stream that they did. So that way you'll be able to get in there, and if you wanted to get any of those tools and get your name registered to be alerted when they're back in stock, I'll provide a list of all of those links for you on a video tomorrow night. Well, thank you so much for tuning in tonight, folks. And once again, we will see you on the next one.